Top 5 Best Drill Press Machines on the Market. Number 1. 14208T 2.3 amp Benchtop Drill Press. This budget drill press is the most affordable model the WEN has to offer, but there is no compromise on quality on the part of this manufacturer. Primarily suited for woodworking, this drill press is going to make drilling into wood or low-density metal an easy job. The 5-speed function allows you to easily adapt to the material, and the operation is very user-friendly. Small and easy to assemble, this is a great option for anyone who isn't swimming in space in their workshop. But despite the size, it retains power and stability with the 2.3 amp motor and cast iron base. Pros: 5 speeds that allow you to work on a broad range of material. Affordable price for its features. Sturdy construction of base, column and table. Cons: not suitable for higher density metal. Number 2. Jet JWDP 12-inch Benchtop Drill Press. The Jet JWDP 12 is the most expensive drill press on our list, but it's also the most powerful. This drill press is exquisite, and it's suitable for projects big and small with its 1/2 horsepower motor that can bore a hole in anything you throw at it. With a maximum of 3-1/8 inch spindle travel, you won't have any depth issues. Make no mistake, this model is heavy, especially when compared with the other budget-friendly options on our list. But for what it can do, it's surprisingly portable. Quiet and smooth, this is a high-power tool that's versatile and solid, and it will handle your drilling needs for a good while. Pros: powerful 1/2 horsepower motor. High accuracy. Suited for larger projects. Cons: high price point. Number 3. Shopfox Benchtop Oscillating Drill Press. In addition to being a high-quality drill press, this Shopfox model is just as useful as a bench-mounted sander. An oscillating spindle ensures compatibility with sanding drums between 1 and 2 inches in diameter, making it convenient for a wide range of sanding tasks. A removable safety key also eliminates the chance for unintentional starts, which is always a nice perk when using heavy machinery like this. The 7x7-inch table may be a bit smaller than most, but its 90-degree tilt capability is a useful feature for both drilling and sanding. Pros: includes dust port. Comes with 3 sanding drums. Removable safety key. Cons: none. Number 4. Dewalt 2-speed magnetic drill press. Unlike benchtop or standing models, this Dewalt press uses a strong electromagnet to mount itself to the metal piece being worked on, making it ideal for use in heavy-duty metalworking projects. It's not as multifunctional as other drill presses that can be used on both wood and metal, but its ability to accept both twist bits and annular cutters make it much more valuable if your priority is quick and clean metal drilling up to just over 4 inches. This press also includes a magnetic coolant tank that can be attached to the unit itself. Pros: affordable. Extremely powerful. Overload protection extends lifespan. Cons: very expensive. Number 5. Powermatic 3/4 HP Bench Mortiser. For those building their workshops around furniture and cabinet making, there's no replacement for a good benchtop mortiser. While this isn't exactly a drill press, DIYers can remove the mortising chisel and use it for some of the same functions, albeit with a longer bit. This makes it versatile enough to offer a drill solution in a pinch, with the ability to cut perfect mortises in sturdy stock. The 3/4 horsepower motor has plenty of power for hardwoods like walnut and locust, but only runs at 1 speed, 1,725 RPM. During the test, the first thing I noticed was the Powermatic's advanced hold-down system, as it can slide back and forth to clamp a workpiece in place. Also, it had lots of power, not letting the bit bog down at all while drilling through wet wood. The accurate depth stop is a plus, and the fact that it can handle different mortising chisel sizes is as well. My only complaint is that it's not exactly a drill press, so it will require longer bits, but it's more than capable of most drilling needs. Pros: lots of power. Accepts different chisel sizes. Accurate depth stop. Cons: requires longer drill bits that some DIYers might not own.